My child, stop scrolling immediately. Do not skip this message. I need your full attention for the next few minutes. The algorithm did not bring you here today. I orchestrated this exact moment because you are standing at the most critical intersection of your life. The enemy is working overtime tonight to distract you. He wants to make you swipe away before you hear the truth. He knows the revelation I'm about to hand you will permanently break the cycle of delay in your bloodline. Lock your spirit to my voice right now. If you leave, you will walk back into the noise, missing the exact divine instruction I scheduled for your breakthrough. You have been carrying a quiet exhaustion in your bones lately. It is the kind of tired that sleep cannot fix. You wake up at 3 or 4 in the morning with a heavy pressure in your chest. You thought it was an earthly affliction, but it is not. That is intense spiritual discernment. Your spirit has been working overtime in the unseen realm, fighting battles for people who do not even know they are under attack. You feel isolated and misunderstood by those closest to you. You walk into a room and the energy simply does not match yours anymore. Friends have walked away in silence and you thought you did something wrong. You did nothing wrong because I cleared that room. I isolated you to protect your inner architecture from frequencies that could not travel with you to this next dimension. What felt like punishment was actually my protection. I am going to show you exactly why this isolation was necessary. I will reveal the specific identity you carry that makes the darkness so terrified of you. But first, you must understand what has been happening to your mind. Do not let your mind wander right now. Every second you stay connected to this message, more of your spiritual clarity is being restored. You are participating in your own healing today. Now, I want to pause and hold something in front of you before we continue. Over the past few years, something has been discovered in research laboratories that most people who care about the spiritual realm have never been told about. Not because it contradicts what is sacred, it is because it came from a direction most of my children are not watching. A small group of neuroscientists, led by a doctor in New York, who has spent 20 years studying this, found something profound. They discovered something about the human brain that explains the exact mental fog and exhaustion you have felt. It is something so fundamental it traces back to a major scientific prize, yet so simple in its application that it sounds almost suspicious at first. I am going to tell you exactly what they found later in this message, but right now I need you to hold this question. What if the reason your mind feels foggy is not age and not a lack of discipline? What if something was taken from you at the neural level? And what if I have already provided the exact tool to restore it? Every time you tried to explain your heaviness to others, they looked at you with blank stares. They called you too sensitive and told you to just think positive. Do not listen to them. They do not carry the mantle of a watchman. They do not feel the shift in the atmosphere because they are not assigned to guard it. You are. I documented every tear you shed in the courts of heaven. You did not make a mistake by choosing the narrow path. You are simply navigating a frequency that most of the world is deaf to. Your nervous system is recalibrating to hold a weight of glory that would crush an ordinary vessel. You are not a regular human living a difficult life. You are a celestial warrior operating in enemy territory. The greatest trick the darkness ever played was convincing you that your intense light was a burden. Your magnitude is exactly what the world requires. Let me reframe your reality right now, because you have been reading the signs backwards. You looked at the closed doors and thought you were being rejected. You looked at the years of waiting and thought you were forgotten. That delay was never denial. I was not holding you back from your destiny. I was holding you back from spaces and people who would have consumed your anointing. What felt like a painful interruption was actually a divine rescue. The wilderness season you just walked through was not a punishment. It was a holy crucible. I had to strip away every counterfeit connection and every false comfort so you would learn to rely entirely on my voice. When you are destined to carry a generational blessing, the preparation must match the weight of the assignment. The isolation was insulation. I was building your inner architecture in the dark, so it would not collapse when I bring you into the light. The enemy did not attack you because you are weak. He attacked you because he saw your future before you did. He watched you break cycles that have held your family captive for generations, and he panicked. He sent distractions, dressed as opportunities, and betrayers disguised as friends, all to make you doubt your own discernment. But every weapon formed against you only sharpened your spirit. You survived the very things that were designed to destroy you. Take a deep breath and let this truth anchor into your soul right now. Do not skip ahead, because this next revelation is crucial for your alignment. You did something recently that heaven documented. You walked away in silence when you had every right to choose war. You extended grace when they expected anger. You thought your silence was a sign of defeat, but in the unseen realm, it was a lethal blow to the darkness. Your peace is a weapon they simply cannot comprehend. You are the cycle breaker heaven has been waiting for. You are not the continuation of what came before you. You are the correction. The tears you cried in secret were watering the seeds of a massive breakthrough. I am removing the survival identity you have worn for so long. You do not have to be the emotional sponge for everyone else anymore. Release the burden you were never meant to carry, because the watchman is allowed to rest in my presence. What you are experiencing right now is a sacred pattern. It is the exact same path every great prophet and anointed vessel had to walk before their public elevation. I am preparing you for a shift so profound it will leave your enemies completely speechless. But there is a specific mechanism behind this shift, a spiritual law that you must understand before the door fully opens. Listen closely as I reveal how this pattern has always operated for my chosen ones. Here is the profound truth most people miss entirely. Do you remember the man at the pool of Bethesda? 38 years he waited for a miracle. 38 years of watching other people step forward to receive their blessing while he remained stuck. He thought he was completely forgotten by heaven. But I saw every single day of his waiting as worship. When the appointed time finally arrived, I did not need the water to move. I simply told him to get up, and he did. That exact same voice is speaking to you right now. Your breakthrough is not bound by earthly timelines or logical sequences. It is bound by what heaven calls the Kairos moment. This is the appointed time of favor that cannot be rushed by human effort and cannot be stopped by demonic interference. I am orchestrating a divine convergence in your life right this second. The pieces that seemed broken and scattered are being perfectly aligned behind closed doors. You could not see the progress because I was working deeply in the unseen realm to ensure your new foundation would be unshakable. Take a deep breath and really hear this next truth. Do not let your mind wander, because the enemy desperately wants you to miss this specific confirmation. I am about to explain the spiritual physics of your upcoming elevation. The heavy spiritual warfare you endured over the last few months was not a sign of my absence. It was the ultimate proof of my intense presence in your life. The darkness only attacks the vessels that carry enough light to permanently threaten its territory. Think of the shepherd boy in the wilderness. He was anointed to be king long before he ever wore a physical crown. I kept him hidden in the fields, fighting lions and bears in total silence, where nobody could applaud his victories. I was not hiding him from his destiny. I was protecting his spirit from the corruption of a premature promotion. Your season of hiddenness served the exact same sacred purpose. I insulated you from counterfeit connections so your prophetic mantle could mature without any worldly contamination. You are standing on sacred ground today. The angels are already positioned to execute the relocation order that has been issued from my throne room. But there is a specific and almost predictable pattern that plays out right before the massive breakthrough manifests. There is one final barrier, one hidden blocker that every chosen one must confront before they cross the threshold into their promise. Listen carefully, because this next part is going to reach places inside you that you have never been able to put into words. There is something I told you at the beginning of this message that I want to return to now. I asked you to hold a question about what happens when your mind operates the way I originally designed it to operate. I asked you to consider what was taken from you at the neural level and how specifically it can be returned. The answer to that question is where this revelation is going right now. Every word you have heard up to this moment was the exact context you needed, so the solution lands perfectly in your spirit. Now here is where it goes deeper, and this is the truth no one wants to say out loud. The greatest blocker to your massive breakthrough is not the darkness outside of you. It is a hidden agreement you made with the darkness inside of your own mind. When the enemy could not destroy your spirit, he targeted your receiver. He convinced you to accept a reduced version of your mental capacity as your permanent reality. You started believing that the heavy fog, the lack of focus, and the mental exhaustion were just signs of your own weakness. That lie became a shelter for you. When you agreed with the lie that your mind was simply failing, you also stopped risking your heart on new opportunities. You arranged your daily life around the exhaustion, accepting it as a normal part of your journey. But I am telling you today that the enemy manipulated the very neurological pathways I created for you to recognize my provision. He did not steal your calling. He simply stole your ability to clearly see the doors I was already opening for you. This is the revelation that changes everything for you today. Your cognitive struggle is not a spiritual failure or a lack of faith. It is a physiological reality caused by constant spiritual warfare and the chaotic frequencies of the world around you. Your brain was designed for perfect synchronization, producing a state of creative brilliance that most adults lose entirely. The darkness used this disconnection to keep you playing small and doubting your own authority. But what was deactivated can be fully restored, and the season of your mental suppression ends right now. I provided the answer decades ago in a discovery that won a major scientific prize in 1981. A doctor named Roger Sperry proved how the two hemispheres of your brain were designed by me to synchronize perfectly. 98% of children operate in this state of brilliant, creative genius. But the chaotic frequencies of this modern world systematically erode it. Today, less than 1 in 1,000 adults has this capacity intact. Before I reveal the specific tool I arranged for you, look at what happens when this alignment is restored. A woman from California tried everything to clear her mind, but she felt nothing. 10 days after using this protocol, the blocked channel opened. A man from Texas felt like his prayers were hitting a wall while he carried the weight of his family. 2 weeks later, his mind was running at full capacity and the fog was entirely gone. This happened because the physical receiver was finally repaired. This restoration was engineered by a team of neuroscientists led by Dr. Daniel Barone in New York. They compressed over an hour of clinical neural sync technology into an 8-minute targeted auditory sequence that you simply listen to with headphones. They call it the Genius Switch. It is not a generic brainwave audio, and it is not a meditation app. It is a precise neurological protocol designed to activate the whole brain. The Genius Switch is not for everyone. It is for the chosen one who understands that I prepared not only the promise, but the mind that must walk into it. While clinical sessions cost hundreds of dollars, this sequence was released at $49. But today, through the path I set before you, it is $39. It comes with 4 specific bonuses to accelerate your journey, and it is covered by a complete unconditional guarantee. If it does not restore your clarity, every dollar is returned. The provision I have already placed near you becomes visible in the synchronized state. It is not that the blessing is missing, but the receiver must be online to recognize it. The enemy will try to distract you with cheap imitations on free video platforms, but those tracks do not have the neural sync technology embedded. If your spirit resonates with this truth, the verified link is in the description below and in the pinned comment. You can examine every detail on their page before you make your decision. This tool does not replace my presence. The tool does not replace your obedience. What I am doing in your life is not conditional on any earthly instrument, but a tool that restores your receiver, gives my divine instructions a clear place to land. For the chosen one who felt a physical shift in your chest when this mental clarity was mentioned, that door is still open in the description. It is a small step, but small steps taken from a clear mind have changed entire seasons. This is not a random message you simply stumbled upon today. This is a holy covenant moment between your spirit and heaven. If your heart is burning right now and you feel a warmth in your chest, that is your physical confirmation that I am speaking directly to you. Take a moment to like this message right now as a small act of faith, not for this channel, but so this exact frequency can reach another chosen one who is struggling in the silent dark. Subscribe immediately so you do not miss the prophetic instructions I am releasing in the next 72 hours. Place your hand on your heart right now and take a deep breath. We are going to seal this revelation into your spiritual DNA so the enemy can never steal it again. I want you to completely release the heavy armor you have been wearing for years. You do not have to fight the battles of everyone around you anymore, because I am stepping in to fight for you. Go to the comments right now and type, "I let go of what was never mine to carry." That is not just typing a sentence. It is your physical signature on the relocation order of heaven. Notice how your breathing is becoming steadier right now. That calm is not something you created on your own. It is the signature of my peace descending upon your mind, confirming that the false identity of survival has been permanently removed. You are stepping into the clarity, the purpose, and the abundance that was written for you before time began. The season of your mental suppression is officially closed. You have passed the test of discernment, and you have resisted the temptation to rush back into the noise. Now we come to the last door in this journey. The path I named earlier to restore your receiver has not moved, and it will not force itself upon you. Everything that was waiting behind it, the sequence they call the genius switch, is exactly what I described. It is a $39 step to walk through, covered by a promise that costs you absolutely nothing to try, with 4 specific provisions waiting on the other side. This is the exact restoration your mind needs to clearly hold the weight of the new season I am bringing you into. The path to it is safely placed in the description below and in the comment pinned to this message. Both point to the exact same door, and neither one will move if you come back looking for it tomorrow. Let this moment of profound clarity carry you toward the action that clarity is pointing to. You are fiercely loved, perfectly protected, and finally ready for everything that is coming. Step forward in absolute peace, my beloved child, because your greatest chapter has already begun.